I am the founder and CEO of Jygy.com. We are a social network, but very mobile focused. And we do some really cool stuff that nobody else does right now. And that is, in essence, we let you create your own texting apps. And what that is if you watch American Idol, for instance, you can every week vote, send somebody home. But you do that for your high school or your group of friends, and not just voting, but all kinds of interactive texting services. You can create them yourself, share them with your friends. Everything from chat rooms, RSS feeds, and joke of the day, tech tips, anything like that. You can create yourself very, very easily, breaking down some of those walls. This is all served in a nice Web 2.0 platform type way, and we have lots of features that I can't show in this brief moment we have, but feel free to ask when we get to that point. That being said, I know everybody loves PowerPoint, so I'm not going to do PowerPoint. Let me just switch right over and go right to the live system. So Jygy is launched and available now, and you'll see all kinds of stuff here you can play with if you feel like it. Have this kind of Web 2.0 dashboard, customizable, do all these cool things. In the interest of time, though, I'm going to switch to what we call groups. Groups are your interactive texting services. There's a bunch of different ones like we have launched now. So you can poll your friends, broadcast stuff, have a mobile fan club for your band, chat rooms, RSS feeds to your phone, and set up, text this in, get a random joke back, or haiku, or anything like that. I'm going to show you how fast it is to create a mobile service real quick. So I will poll everybody. Call a UTR poll. Does UTR rock? Yes, of course. Like that. Loaded question. I apologize. And we give it a name. UTR poll. Description, UTR, keyword UTR, put in text, picture, whatever you want to do. Now I just select what friends I want to poll about this thing, so I can pick a couple of people that I want to ask about this question. I could even pick a group, like my whole classroom or anything like that, and just click finish, and that's it. I've created and provisioned a live mobile service now. I can do all kinds of advanced stuff with this, but that's in essence it. Right now, all my friends are receiving messages on their phones, and I get a message here, just got one now, asking me to vote in this poll I just created. On the fly, we've created a widget for you, and you can actually do cool stuff with that. You can even put that on your Facebook page, or your MySpace page, anything like that. So you can basically take these services, share them with your friend, and create kind of cool interactive mobile content. So this is already live on Facebook right now. Go back to here real quick. So the important thing for us is that we're not just another social network. We're the enabler of mobile interaction. So you can go to Jygy from your iPhone, Facebook on your phone, and Open Social is in beta as of today. This is really the key for us to driving new subscribers and new people joining the service. And of course, that is really interesting because mobile is a space that is kind of overlooked in the social networking arena, and think about 2 billion texting messages per day. You don't need a fancy client on the phone. You're going to lose 80% of your customers right off the bat. Texting is what everybody does right now, and there's a built-in revenue stream in that. It also makes it very, very easy, or what we here does, in that there's no legal, there's no practical stuff. You just create these interactive services instantly right out the door. The key behind this is our patented user-generated content engine, which will run literally hundreds of thousands of these interactive texting services. Revenues-wise, there's a lot of interesting things you can do when you involve texting into the social networking space. You can think of stuff like charging premium, say an extra 10 cents per message for dating type services. We're launching some of that. We have advertising options, not just in the text, but also on the phone, on Facebook, on Jygy, and so forth. And lastly, consider that we have a giant database of people, what they like and who they like to share their time with, and we can use that in a corporate channel as well. So radio stations, for instance, could say, what's the next song we're going to play? Everybody vote now. And we can charge licensing fees for those types of services too. Our end game really is to be the #1 preferred choice for any mobile interaction with anything. If you're going to be in dialogue with media brands, TV stations, radio stations, your website, your blog, Facebook, or whatever, you can update your status on Jygy. We'll update it on all your sites for you. We can upload a picture to Jygy. We'll upload it to all your sites as well. Flickr, we'll update your Twitter status, everything like that. So we're launched, and it's available now. You are able to go to Jygy.com. You can access it from your phone as well. We have a pretty cool team. We are based in Atlanta, Palo Alto, and Vietnam. And we have some very interesting people lined up for our next stage. We're currently angel funded, and we're in discussions about our next stage funding. So that's pretty much my 6-minute good morning and welcome. You can text haiku to our short code up there, which spells my Jygy, and you can actually sign up instantly from your phone via text messaging if you want. Happy to take some questions.
Beautiful, beautifully done. Thank you.